What is happening, everybody? Got a new part here I want to show off. It's the Krebs AK safety. It's got this little shelf here that you can flip it on and then throw it back up. It's just something easy to modify because there's really actually no modification, you're just replacing. I'll show you what I'm talking about. With an AK, you have your safety, that's all it is. There is no shelf here that I'm talking about. So when you're shooting, you have to actually break your grip to on or off your safety. It's really not a big deal. Been doing it for years, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace this and show you how easy it is to replace. And it's just, for what it costs, why not? So let me break this down real quick. Alright, you take your safety selector, you turn it up about 90 degrees. And it comes right out. Nothing. Same thing. I'll show you the comparison. It's pretty much the same thing. The Krebs safety just has that extra shelf. So I'm gonna put it in like I took the last one out. Have it about 90 degrees where it was. Make sure the location hole on the other side of the receiver hits. Rotate it down to where it should seat. Reassemble. Had this thing out earlier. It's dirty. She definitely needs clean, but she is a pig, so all that bearing grease. Find that notch. There you go. Alright, so here we are. I now have this option. I don't have to break my grip like I used to. I used to sweep it with my middle finger, sweep it down or sweep it forward, which the grip, the webbing of my hand was always in the middle of the grip, but look how much quicker that is. I don't have to take these fingers off. It's a quick, easy mod. I'm telling you right now, really can't beat it for the price. So let me know what you think. Take it easy. One more thing I forgot. There's actually a opening on the inside of this safety that this does not have, to where you can catch your bolt itself. So it can actually hold your bolt open so you can insert a magazine. This is really something that's been going on for a while, but it's nice to have because you can insert a magazine, you can be completely open, kind of like an AR, and then when you're ready to rock, drop it. Pull it back. You got to engage it with two hands, but it is kind of handy. So that's another little quirk to this thing. It's actually pretty nice. I dig it, man. Y'all take care.